Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. 3 tips to doing you better. Pretty straightforward. And there's a lot more than this, but let's go with these 3. First, we're going to eliminate negatives, all right? These 3 negatives got to go. First, it's the people. We got to get rid of the negative people. And you know how you get rid of negative people? You flush them. Flush them and bring in better people. That's how you change people. You don't just change their personalities. You change the people. Adios, muchachos. Next one, food. Processed foods and soda. These are scientifically altered foods to keep you fat. Keep me fat. Made me fat. Along with the drinking. It was ugly. Enough said there. Last one, sleep. Being a person with a sleep disorder, as I am, is something that I really embrace and try to get people to understand. If you snore, which I didn't understand the depth of my problems until, thank God, Sandy helped me with it. Let me tell you, having sleep apnea, wearing a CPAP machine for as long as I have, talking to the doctors that I interview on the radio show all the time, sleep is absolutely paramount to our success in life and having a good quality of life. So eliminate the people, eliminate the shitty foods, and get better rest. I know it sounds simple. I know it sounds a little bit dubious, and we've probably heard this before, but what the fuck's the problem? These are the entry points. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. I'm Papa Tom. Have a great day, everybody. Hopefully it's helping. Peace out. Love y'all.